more muffins. This time they're muffins that taste like donuts. Cinnamon sugar donuts. I made my own cinnamon sugar, the perfect ratio. The muffins at the end, after we bake them, we'll dip them in butter and then in cinnamon sugar. But let's we got 12 muffin tins. 12 muffin tins that we're gonna lightly grease, and we're gonna preheat our oven to 350. We want a good size bowl. We're gonna beat our sugar and our egg here. 1 egg, 3/4 cup of sugar. So I have a half and then a quarter. We'll beat this together so well combined. We're going to whisk in our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, nutmeg, and salt. 1.5 cups. This is a half cup, so I'll need 3 of these. Two teaspoons of baking soda. That's 1. That's 2. I need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4. Nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon. We're supposed to whisk that together, so I'm going to do it on light. Okay, so I got that whisked together. We'll be adding the oil, the milk, and vanilla extract, and we'll mix that well. 1/4 cup of oil, 3/4 of a cup of milk. This is a 1/4 cup, so I gotta do 3 of them. We need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna mix that well. It's mixed up pretty good. Now we're gonna fill our muffin cups, about 2/3 full. It wasn't quite 2/3 full. I had to take some out of some others to make sure they were all kind of equal and I could get 12. But into the oven at 350. 15 to 18 minutes, and I like it 18. They're kind of pale, but I think they're supposed to be because they're like a donut. I'm gonna brush them, but we do some lemon poppy seed muffins, and to get them really good and coated, we increase the amount of butter if needed, and we just dip them like this. Oh, but they're hot. All right, I went ahead and brushed them all. Let's hurry up and dip them in my sugar. All right, I got them all coated. Oh, let's see. Let's try one. They're lighter than I would think. Pretty good. Yummy. All right, guys, enjoy.